shared laughter, a happy clan. Sipping slowly, feeling the bliss, connected souls, a sweet kiss. Under the stars, a peaceful night. Kava circle, burning so bright. Kava time, let's unwind. Island vibes, peaceful mind. Unity and love, mankind. Kava circle, one of a kind. Out in the room, with steady hand. Water mixed across the land. Sharing the brew, a sacred plan. Shared laughter, a happy clan. From Hawaii's shores to New Zealand's land. Polynesian spirit, strong and grand. Kava ceremony, a cultural stand. Unity and love, hand in hand. Shared stories, old and new. Building bonds, strong and true. In every island, a kava tree. A symbol of peace, harmony. Kava time, let's unwind. Island vibes, peaceful mind. Unity and love, mankind. Kava circle, one of a kind. Let's raise our cups to the ancestors' grace. Kava in our hearts, a warm embrace. United as one, a powerful space. Sharing cultures, human race. From Samoa, Fiji, Tonga, and more. Kava brings us closer to the core. Let's celebrate our heritage with pride. Kava circle, dreams abide. Kava time,